So, Public Archaeology Corps was formed to address the issue of archaeological site loss on privately owned land. So, unlike archaeological resources that are located on public land, there's nothing to address the issue of significant resources on privately owned land. One of our programs that gets a lot of attention is the excavation side of things. This is kind of where the first thrill of discovery comes up when you're digging and you find a really, really fun artifact.
It's a lead shot. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Okay.
good call. That is brilliant.
Awesome.
Lead shot. And so
It's pretty dense. That's really cool.
I'm just curious as to what.
What you may not think of when it comes to discovery is actually when you shift these artifacts from the ground on up to this lab space in here. And the lab space is where the lion's share of work occurs, so far as analysis and figuring out what happened at that particular site.
In the lab, we clean the artifacts that we find, and oftentimes we are able to identify them more correctly.
The lab is so important for us not only as a physical space to hold all these wonderful artifacts and clean them and process them, but it really, for me, turned out to be a great place for community to come together with all these resources. It's so special of a place.
We might be saving something out in the field because it looks like an artifact, but we aren't sure, but it's so dirty we can't really tell. And we get it up here, and then it's given the time and attention, and it turns out to be something, absolutely mind-blowing. We have meetings here, we have events here, we've eaten meals here together with volunteers, and it's really kind of the heart and soul of the organization. So to be moving from this space kind of directionless, it's kind of like taking the soul out of the organization.
We are losing our lab space as of February 1. So we're going to have to find a permanent home. Right now, we do not have one.
So really what it all comes down to, without a lab to continue our work, history still needs a place to land. And so all that being said, we are still actively looking for a new space to conduct our analysis and our public engagement. If you have a space that may be suitable, please contact us. If you know somebody that has a space that may be suitable, also please have them contact us. We are a 501c3 nonprofit, and any space donated is tax deductible. So please visit www.publicarchaeologycorps.org and give us a hand. It's much appreciated. Thank you.